Gun power. Respected chief guests, principal teachers, and all my dear friends. First, I wish you very happy Independence Day. I feel great, proud to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted entire life for independence of our country. Today we fortunate that we are born in independent country and our own fundamental right. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on border to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be perfect. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.